Good afternoon, parents. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is David Sprinkle, and I have the privilege of being the principal here at Causey Middle School, the best middle school in the state of Alabama, and always remember that. And the reason we are the best is because of our parents and our students. I quickly found out when I became the principal at Causey how much support that we had here at Causey in terms of our parents, and I saw that last year during our open house. And once again, what an overwhelming turnout, and I want to thank you parents for being here, because I want to tell you something. Support equals success, and by you being here tonight tells us that you support your child. You know, we want the very best for your child every day they walk in our building. A couple things that are very important to me. Number one is the safety of all of our children. The safety of your child is very important to me, and something that we work on every day here at Causey. Secondly, their academics. Guys, we want your student and your child to grow every day academically there in this building. So we want to thank you for coming tonight. We want to thank you for your support, and we look forward to your continued support and that communication that we will keep with you throughout the year to ensure your child is successful here at Causey Middle School. And I want you to know from the bottom of my heart, we appreciate you. And also that if you ever have any concerns about things going on here at Causey, my door is always open, okay? I also want to give a few thank yous. First of all, to our superintendent, Mr. Threadgill. Mr. Threadgill, I would like to thank him for the opportunity of allowing me to be the principal here at Causey Middle School. We also want to thank him for his vision, his goals and mission that he has set for us as principals. He demands a lot from us as principals because he expects excellence. He wants to see Mobile County be the best school system in the state of Alabama, and that is our goal every single day. So we thank you, Mr. Threadgill, for setting the bar high for our principals, our teachers, and our students and community here at Mobile County. We'd also like to take the time to thank Dr. Foster, our school board representative over our district. Dr. Foster has been in education for 45 plus years, a longtime member of the Board of Education. He is a huge advocate for our students, our teachers, our principals, and the community, especially here at Causey. So we want to thank him for everything he's done for us here at Causey, and look forward to working with him in years to come. Next, we would like to thank Mr. Victor Gaston. Last year was my first year here as the principal at Causey, and Mr. Gaston was graciously awarded us with a grant of $10,000. I know everyone has seen our new sign out front, brand new digital sign, and with that money he helped pay for half of that sign. So it was very expensive, but we're very thankful for him. He also fed our teachers a few times throughout the year, and just a huge partner in education for us, and we're thankful for people like Mr. Threadgill, Dr. Foster, and Mr. Gaston. So we wanted to take a moment to recognize these people. Next, we would like to introduce our assistant principals. Guys, we are blessed with a great staff here, especially our administrative team. They all work well together, work well with me. We all have the same vision and same thing in mind for our students every day to ensure safety and for academic success. So at this time, I'm going to allow them to introduce themselves to you at this time.
Good evening. I'm Miss Miller, the 6th grade administrator, and I have been an administrator for 7 years. This is my 2nd year here at Causey, and I'm looking forward to my best year yet. Causey is a great place to be because we have caring faculty and staff, we have hardworking students, and we have involved parents and community. Thank you so much for taking time out of your evening to join us for open house, and please let us know if there's anything we can do for you.
Hi, I'm Allison Streeter, the 7th grade administrator. This is my 5th year at Causey, and I'm sure it's going to be the best. At Causey, we believe in continuous improvement and quality teaching and learning every day. Learning today, leading tomorrow.
Welcome parents to Open House. My name is Bo Smith. I'm the 8th grade assistant principal. We're glad to have you all here tonight. If you're in need of anything with your child this year, give me a call here at the school and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.
All right, guys, thank you to our administrative staff. Guys, like I said, they do an outstanding job. Next, we would like to talk to you a little bit about what we really focus on every day here at Causey Middle School, and I call it the ABCs of Causey Middle School. A stands for academics. Academics is always our #1 priority here at Causey. We want our students to come in this building every day, learn and grow each and every day. Okay, that is always going to be our number one priority. Nothing comes before our academics. Secondly is attendance. And parents, you can help me with this. This is a huge part of our school accountability, is how many days our students are out. We are developing new incentives, out of uniform days. We want our students to know that attendance is so important. If they're not here, they can't learn. So attendance may be the number one thing that we try to focus on other than academics, because we got to have them in the building. So parents, please make sure that your child is here every single day. Next is appearance. We really believe in our uniform policy and how our students present themselves, because I think you all know as parents in life it matters. Our appearance, how we present ourselves in job interviews or in a professional world matters. And we try to teach our students that. We hold them accountable to come here every day with their ID badges on and their uniform with their shirt tail tucked in, looking nice and ready to learn. B, behavior. Guys, we have 1,600 students in this school, the largest middle school in the state of Alabama. We have to have very strict protocols, procedures, and discipline in order to maintain a safe environment that's nurturing for education. So we tell our students every day 3 things that we ask you to do when you come on this campus. 1, always respect your teachers. Do what your teachers ask you to do, because they're here for you. Secondly, respect your classmates. Treat each other with respect. And third, keep your hands to yourself. And we say this every single day. Keep your hands to yourself. And if our students do these 3 things, we're going to have a very good school, a safe school, with no bullying, no picking on each other, and that's our goal every day. Alright, the next thing I would like to talk to you guys about, we've got 2 new things to the school this year. Number 1 is we regained our Title I. Okay, so we are now a Title I school again. Now with Title I, we get federally funded money. So with our goal this year is we're going to develop 2 brand new computer labs with state-of-the-art technology. We're going to be purchasing 40 iPads and 60 laptops, so we can spread throughout our classrooms and work on small group instruction and really breaking those standards down and having different groups working on different things and really tearing to the individual needs of the student. Okay, but with that comes accountability. We sent home a student compact. If you have not signed that in, we have to have 100% participation. If you didn't get one, you can go by the library and get one this evening. Secondly, we need you to go by the library and sign in. We need as many signatures as possible. We have some information about our budget, what Title I means to us as a school. So please go by the library at some point before you leave tonight. Secondly is iReady. This is a new math and language arts curriculum that's driven by the district, and it's a new curriculum we want to give you some information on. Students can work on this at home. They all have books that they should be bringing home, and there's also a computer component involved in the iReady learning. So the students will go to the lab at least 30 to 45 minutes a day. We will have laptops where they can use them in class, and it's really designed to adhere to the individual needs of each student. You know, if you're in the 6th grade, you may be testing on a 7th grade level, or you may be on a 4th grade level, and the program will give you standards that meet your need individually, not just as a class. So it's a great opportunity, but it's something new. We have information for you. We'll have information linked to our website about this, and moving forward, we just wanted you guys to understand what we had going on. A little bit about the process tonight. With so many students, we wanted you guys to start off in the homeroom. We'll ring a bell, or better yet, I will make an announcement, move to first period right here briefly in a minute. Move to second period, move to third period, and you'll get to see every individual student. Now this is not every individual teacher your student has. This is not a time to, you know, have a one-on-one conference. This is just a brief meet the teacher. They'll go over some things with you, give you their contact information, and if you want a more detailed meeting, you can schedule that at a later time or email, guys. Set up a communication between our teachers, okay? So that's kind of the way the process will go. At the end of the night, we will have a meet and greet with our PTSA. Guys, we're doing a PTSA kickoff drive this week. Membership's $15. Please join. Guys, that money goes directly to the school. They gave us probably $30,000 last year, $15,000 towards our sign. We were able to purchase a new lawnmower. We paid money to have our building pressure washed, a lot of the murals and the paintings that we have. PTSA helps with that. So that comes from you. We need you guys to join. You know, we've got 1,500 students. If we get everyone joined, that's a lot of money, and all the money comes back to your children. So think of that. Everything we do, the money comes back to your children and for our school. So this time, I'm going to allow our PTSA or have them introduce themselves. And don't forget, once we're done, we're going to have a meet and greet in a gym. So please come by and see what they have to say, and get more information, and get involved, guys. Get involved. I know we've got a lot of parents here and you all want to be involved. So this time, let's meet our PTSA.
Hello everyone, we are excited for the 2019-2020 school year. I'd like to introduce to you your PTSA officers this year. My name is Keisha Rogers and I am the PTSA president.
My name is Jessica Powell and I will be serving as your PTSA vice president this year.
We also have Amy Tillman, who's serving as our PTSA secretary, and we have Christina Davis that's serving as our PTSA treasurer this year. We have a lot of exciting things going on. We'd love for all the parent participation that we can get. Remember, PTSA doesn't mean that you have to volunteer, but we would love your time and your support to help us be advocates for our teachers and our students at Causey Middle.
Make sure to come by and see your PTSA tonight in the gym for some light refreshments and to pick up our cookie dough fundraiser information that is kicking off this evening.
We will also have samples of our cookie dough, of the classic cookie dough cookies that you will be able to sample to see what they taste like before you have yourself purchase, or family members or friends that are going to be purchasing them as well. We are excited. We look forward to meeting all of the Causey Middle parents and everyone getting involved. There's so much to get involved with, and to be able to see what's going on with your children and give you a voice to help your children. When you come to us this evening at the meet and greet, you'll get a bunch of PTSA information letting you know what we're going to help put towards the school this year, what we help last year towards. You also have the opportunity to pick up the cookie dough packet fundraisers. You'll also be able to sign up for membership if you have not, and that will be awesome. We have a remind that you'll be added to once you sign up, and we also have a Facebook page that'll help keep you informed. And don't forget that during registration, we had a drawing two per grade level, $25 gift cards to give to parents. Well, we have the winners. We'll announce those the night of open house. Thank you, and we look forward to meeting you guys.
All right, welcome back, guys. We're about to dismiss and go on throughout the night. And the last thing I want to do, and most importantly, I want to thank our teachers. Our teachers are here tonight taking away from time for their family, and so many times they do that throughout the year. They're unselfish, and they are here for your child. Remember that. Every teacher in this building wants one thing: your child to be successful. The same thing I do. So remember that throughout the year, and keep an open line of communication with your teacher, because our teachers are fantastic, guys. I've been at many other schools throughout my educational career, and this is bar none the best teaching staff that I've ever been involved with. So we're very blessed to have our teachers. We thank you for what you do, and once again, thank you for coming to our open house. We're looking forward to an exciting night. I'll be moving around if you want to speak with me or an assistant principal. We're out and about. We're just glad you guys are here. Remember, doors always open here at Causey Middle School for any complaints or concerns that you may have, or anything that you want to just talk about. But remember what we tell our students here at Causey Middle School: have a great night here at Causey, where excellence is our expectation.